Alright everybody, this is just a super quick video. If anybody owns a Vauxhall Meriva SE with a glass roof, or if they got a Vauxhall with these type of lights in, and if you press there like that, you can see it, that comes on, off, on, off. And if this bulb goes in here and you want to change it, then I'll show you on the other side. If we turn around quickly, well, hey, like this. And I've taken this side off here, and you can see inside, there's the bulb, there's the switch look, right, okay? And you can see this bulb isn't working. I'll give it a wiggle, see if it works then. It doesn't work. So that bulb is clearly gone. Let me just try and see if I can get that out of there. It's, let's have a look. If I can get that out. There's, in it, right, there we go. So that's out. You can see the holder, look, it's that type of push-in bulb. And if I get this like this and show you, I don't know if that's going to focus. It's one of them. Let me just read it off camera a minute. I can't have a look where it is. It's too dark, I can't see. It says 12 volt, 6 watt. And it's got HT 12 volt, 6 watt. I don't know if I'll focus on there, will I? Yeah, there we go. So that's 12 volt, 6 watt, one of them doodads there. Okay, so that's what goes in there. Now, here is the, focus on that, there's the back of that. It goes that way, obviously. And you can see that it's got a clip there, a clip there, and a clip there. Corresponding on here is a clip there, and a clip there, and it goes in there, right? So, when that's on there, I'm not going to put it back on because it'd be a pain in the bum. You can see that you leave it out on this side first until it pops out a bit, and then you've got to pull it, gently lever it off from these two things here. I'll show you what I used now if I can find them. I'm trying to find everything yet. Right, there we go. I used a little screwdriver to lever it off, but there first, focus, but there, it's not going to focus, is it? There, go on, lever off, but there. Then I use this thing behind there to pull it off. Okay, so there you go, and be gentle with these, obviously, because they're brittle plastic. If you bend them too much, they're going to snap. Anyway, that's a quick video, just to show how you take one of these doodads off, okay? Thanks a lot, cheers, see you in the next one.